Here's the reason why most employees quit even when they love their job. Research shows that employees who don't receive regular coaching or feedback are 3.5 times more likely to be disengaged. That means even your best people stop giving their best effort. Imagine this. Nag-hire ka ng top talent, tinrain mo sila, at binigyan mo sila ng mga task. But if no one guides them, checks in, or mentors them, they get stuck, frustrated, then eventually leave. This is why organizational development and exponential organization principles are so powerful. When you build a culture where coaching is baked into the system, employees learn how to make decisions independently, take ownership, and drive results. Coaching isn't just para happy ang employees. It literally affects execution. Teams na laging mini-mentor, mas mabilis mag-deliver, mas creative, at aligned sa vision mo. Scaling isn't just about hiring more. It's about mentoring better. Because when your people can think, decide, and lead, the business grows without you doing it at all. Again, this is Dale of Beyond Business Playbook, reminding you that real growth starts with the right playbook.